This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make meringue cookies, only ways. Whip 4 room temperature egg whites until foamy, then add 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar and continue beating. Gradually add 1 cup superfine sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, until stiff glossy peaks form and sugar dissolves. Fold in 1 teaspoon vanilla and optional color. Pipe onto trays and bake low and slow for crisp, airy cookies that melt in your mouth. Preheat your oven and prepare trays with parchment for even baking. Pipe uniform meringues about 1 inch wide to ensure consistent drying and cooking. Bake at 200 degrees F for 60 to 90 minutes depending on size. Larger shapes need longer time. Turn off oven and leave meringues inside with the door ajar to cool and dry fully for at least 1 hour. This gentle finish guarantees a crisp exterior and a light, melt-away center every time. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use to store cookies and ingredients. They save time and mess. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Try small changes to make each batch unique without risking collapse. Gently fold in 1 to 2 teaspoons of extracts or 1 tablespoon of sifted cocoa for flavor, keeping air in the mixture. Add finely grated citrus zest for brightness or a pinch of instant espresso for depth. After baking, press a few chopped nuts or a drizzle of melted chocolate on the cooled cookies for crunch and decoration that complements their delicate sweetness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.